under the curse.
All right, YouTubes. Now this one here, the little wine lineup, I think it's 4 doors or 5-door lineup. It is not feeding. It has a call for cooling. We're not feeding refrigerant. The sight glass looks terrible. I'm gonna push some around from this side real quick. Okay. That was just to get it going, and watch, she'll just pump straight down. So I don't know if the TXVs have failed or if there's moisture in the system and it's froze up. The solenoid's calling. Yeah, there she goes. She's gonna pump right down. See where it turns off. I'm not stoked on this low pressure switch either, see? There it goes. So I'm going to recover the charge and then try and push some nitrogen through this thing and see if it's feeding. So stand by. I'm going to recover the gas out of it first. All right, I'm sucking my tank down more on a vacuum, and then I'm going to recover the charge out of this thing. And we're going to play with some nitrogen, see what we get. And I got a new dryer, sight glass combo. I got a dryer for pulling the gas out. We'll see what happens here. It's not feeding. So we'll see if we can come up with a conclusion. Got my nitrogen here. This has been recovered. I sweated out the old dryer. Look at the status. This thing's getting green now that I pulled it out of there. It's super white and shitty looking. I'm going to blow nitrogen down the low side, through the coils, through the solenoid, and then back out here. That's what my brain says. If that works or not, let's find out. Oh, look at all that shit coming out of there. I'm not sure if it is feeding from the other side. Let's try that again. I got this one closed off. We saw a bunch of shit come out of this one. I want to see it come out of this pipe. Yeah, it's just pressurizing. So I don't know if my solenoid's shitty or what's going on. I mean, there's a little bit. So I don't know if my solenoid valve's full of shit or not. But it definitely is not feeding. And this has 2 TXVs. So I might have to go down there and take the solenoid valve apart. If I go this way, I get good flow out of here. But I'd have to show you guys like this. I'd have to crack it for a sec. Yeah. So that's feeding. Dryer sight glasses in. I'm going to feed nitrogen up and around and then out. There it goes. Back it out for a pressure test. See if we can get a little pressure test going. I'm gonna hook up the low side. We'll get a reading on both sides. got a lot of pressure in it. Let's see. Okay, let's see. That kind of answers that question. Super milky. System probably had moisture in it. Old sight glass there. We'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky. It'll work. I gotta do an oil change right now. Oil number 2, super shitty as well. Let's get that out of there. Just going for mega oil changes right now. Let that come out of there. And we'll be on oil number 3. Okay, we're gonna go for oil change number 4. I'm running out of vacuum pump oil. Burned up all my vacuum pump oil. I got gas in it, it equalized. Trying to see if it'll feed, if I can get it charged up. Let's see. Let's see. Box is warm, it's starting to rain now. Good news is it's not pumping down. It's getting some heat on it. That's good news. See what happens here. Okay, I'll run you through what I found. I think the unit was up here running in a vacuum because that switch was out of whack. I've adjusted it, but I need to test it a couple more times. System had moisture in it. I recovered the gas and I used that little filter dryer there thinking I was going to reuse the gas, but I think the system was so wet, I don't know how it got wet. Maybe the old filter dryer blew out. But it would not feed. So I recovered the gas, blew the nitrogen, put in the new dryer. You guys see me pull the vacuum and all the moisture that was in my oil. Now I've got it gas back up and it's feeding and working. You can see my head pressure's up, my suction's up. I got good heat transfer going. I still don't have quite the full charge in there yet, but I'm waiting to see if the TXVs will throttle. I'm gonna see if those, it's got a set point of 43 and it's at 56. I got cooling coming back. I got a ton of heat on my liquid line, even though it's raining out here. But it is working right now, and I might see about getting this sight glass cleared up. It's really close. It's gonna be close. And I think if the the valves will throttle, I think the sight glass might go clear. They're wide open right now. I'm at a 34 degree evaporator. But it's a wine cooler, so it doesn't get super cold. I wanted to do more vacuums on it, but I ran out of vacuum pump oil, and that's what happens sometimes. So I got to do a bunch of oil recycling. And we'll see how we make out here.